Hi everyone, I'm Sienna, the content producer here at Seamwork. Each month in the Seamwork classroom, we have a new sew-along class, and this month we're sewing up the Ciara dress. Let's take a look at this pattern and talk about all the cool skills you'll pick up in this class. Ciara is a midi-length empire waist dress with a gathered neckline. It has half-inch adjustable straps. The back neckline and armholes are finished with single-fold bias tape, and the casing creates the gathers at the front neckline. Ciara is great if you're newer to sewing but ready to learn some fun new skills like creating adjustable straps, attaching bias tape, and creating gathers. In this sew-along class, we'll help you select your fabric, gather supplies and helpful tools, and sew each step, including the tricky parts like attaching single-fold bias tape, creating even gathers, and using strap rings and sliders. The best thing about this class is you're not in it alone. You can connect with other sewists in the Seamwork community and chat about choosing fabric, selecting a size, and sewing up your Ciara dress. It's a great place to ask questions and cheer on each other's makes. In the next lesson, I'm going to pass things over to Haley, who designed the pattern. She'll talk about what fabrics will work best with this pattern and share what fabrics she used in the photo samples. See you in the Seamwork classroom!